Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making a snake bite. This is a very old recipe. It's been around for God knows how long. One of the more popular shots around. So we're going to go ahead and make it. Should I do the skull in the front or the skull in the back? Probably skull in the front. It looks cool. It's a very simple recipe. I'd recommend using fresh lime juice. I'm stupid. I don't have actual limes on me, and every time I go to the store I might forget about them anyways. So I'm going with Rose's sweetened lime juice concentrated, and I'm going to probably add exactly a splash like it says. And we're going to go ahead and make this. It's a very easy recipe. You need a 100 proof Yukon Jack. It's very specific. It needs to be high proof. Spill it all over your bar because you don't know how to pour correctly. I'm going to fill it up to about there. And it says a splash, and I am going to attempt to do only a splash.
Oh, fuck.
Well, that was a little bit more than a splash, but it'll probably be fine. Splash is like a little teaspoon of it. That's it. But this is called the snake bite, and I have a feeling it is going to bite. I remember doing this video a long time back, but I don't know if the footage ever caught it. I don't think the camera ever caught it at some point. I don't remember. That's besides the point, so let's go ahead and take the shot of the snake bite. I'm having some regrets doing this now that I think about it. Oh well. Woohoo! Oh, fuck. Two drivers ate me. Ooh. I'm sorry, that did not go down as well as I thought it did. I thought it was going to. That was rough. This shot glass is out of commission for right now. Ooh, that has a bite to it. It's almost like drinking straight 190. The whiskey form. Okay. Anyways, if you like really high proof stuff and you like it to be lime juiced flavor, that's the shot that'll get you fucked up in an instant. If you're not used to high proof stuff, I'd recommend a chaser. Water, another drink, pop, something. Have a chaser. I recommend it. It will save you some time, okay? It'll save your life. I mean, Yukon Jack is not bad or anything like that. I actually do like Yukon Jack, but that bite was rough. And I knew it would be. But my dumbass just said, "It'll be fine, I promise." And I was like, "Okay." And then I did it, and then I was not fine. So, yeah, if you guys got any drink ideas, shot ideas, anything like that, any type of recipes, cocktails, whatever you want, leave it down in the description. I will give them a try out at some point. Hopefully sooner rather than later, but I'll give them a try out at some point, and I'll give you guys my opinions on them. My taste buds are a little weird. I'm thinking a lot of my taste buds might have got fucked up through COVID, so... And that was like 2 years... No. Did I get in 2021 or 2020? No, 2021. In 2021 I got COVID. That's right. My taste buds have been fucking out of whack, so... Some things that taste better to me might not taste better to you guys. So... Unless you had COVID and... For some reason... chili tastes like trash bags for some reason, then you might be good. That's an odd one for me. I still eat it because I like it, because I like the idea of chili. But for some reason it tastes like plastic trash bags. Don't ask me how I know that. It's best not to know. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys next time.
If you like that, go check out my other videos. We now have a Discord link down in the description.
If any of you guys have a drink or shot recipe, leave it down in the comment section below. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you all next time.